back to my channel. I have Hiyasha, my daughter, with me today.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel.
Great. So guys, we have a very different video today, and this is about a smart light that we have with us, and this is the
Syska smart light.
Absolutely. This is the Syska smart light that can be controlled by a mobile phone. Now my daughter Hiyasha will tell you how this works and what are the great things about this smart light. What I'll do is, before I hand over everything to Hiyasha, I'll quickly open the box and show you what you get in the box and how the light looks like. Okay, so here it's quite a simple box where it gives you a couple of the features of the light. Apart from that, you have certain specifications. So obviously this is a Syska LED smart bulb. It changes in different colors. Yasha certainly will be telling you about that. So let's quickly open the box here. So this is the box. You get an instruction manual here. That's quite handy. And I must say that the packaging is really well to ensure that there is no damage done to the smart light inside. So here you go, let's quickly open this. Now this certainly looks pretty similar to a normal LED light, though of course it would have certain kind of electronic chip inside that will help this to connect to the Wi-Fi to your home. So let's quickly put this back in the box. We will also show you how the light looks when we plug it in, and we will also take you through the software. So now it goes on to Hiyasha. So Hiyasha, tell us what are the best things about the light? What can we do, and what can the light do for us?
Okay. So this is a Syska smart light, and it can be controlled by an app on our phones called the Syska Smart Home application.
Okay. So what all things can the light do for us?
Okay, I will tell you now. When you go into the Syska Smart Home application, you can see a huge ball.
Oh, okay.
That. And when we press that ball once, the light switches on.
Okay.
When we
It's that simple. So what you're saying is that I can do this just by sitting on my bed and switching it on or off from the application. I don't have to do that. Getting out of my bed and switching it off or on, switching it on from the switch.
No, you can stand, sit anywhere only.
Oh my God, that's really wonderful, and that's really so convenient. Okay, what else? What else can we do with this light?
As you see on the box, that we can change the colors. That is clue. We can change the colors.
Okay, so what all colors do you get here?
We get green, yellow, blue, turquoise, light green, pink, red, blue.
Okay,
More
that's
colors
quite
also.
a lot, I must say, and indeed, yes, there are 3 million shades, to be very honest. However, these are the most common ones that will be available to you. There are more things I'm sure that we can do with this, right?
Yep.
Okay, what else can we do here?
We can also set a timer for the light to switch on or switch off.
Okay, that's wonderful. That's brilliant. Okay, so what you're saying is, for example, I set a timer for around 10 in the night to switch off the light. It will automatically switch off at 10 o'clock.
Oh.
Amazing. Alright, I'm sure this is going to be something really great that everyone should have at home. Now, just to let you know, when we look at the box here, the MRP mentioned here is certainly more than what I got this for. So the MRP is around 1800 rupees, and I got this from Amazon. However, I got this for about 1100 1200 rupees, and at that price I think this is really good. This is brilliant. Nowadays we always decorate our house or design our house with a lot of LED lights, that probably change colors every now and then, and this is an ideal thing for the bedroom, or maybe besides your bed if you have a lamp. So this will be really handy and really great, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to switch over the camera to the light to show you how it can change colors, and we will also show you how, with the help of the application, you could change the colors or switch off or switch on the lights. So let's go ahead. Alright guys, so here this is the Syska smartphone application, and it's quite simple and nice to understand. So here we go, and this is the ball that Yasha was talking about. So this is where you can control the light from. So quite simple. This is it. You can change the light. So here right now we have pink. We can change it to blue. Now what I'll do is you can probably look at the light. I'll hand over the mobile phone to Yasha, and she will change and tell us everything that can be done here. So there you go. Yasha, can you please change the light to red? Alright, that's wonderful. What about green? Okay. What about yellow or orange? Alright, great. Can we come back to red maybe? Alright, wonderful. Now can you decrease the brightness? Alright, that's wonderful. Yeah, decrease. Okay, so guys, you can see that we were able to change the light. We could increase and decrease the brightness. Now these are something that will come really handy, especially when you put this light right beside your bed. So it's going to be quite convenient for us to, either dim the light or brighten it up as per our wish, or you can even switch it off or switch it on when you're on the bed. So that's really wonderful. You also have a reading mode for this.
So friends, go and get your Syska smart light today. Hope you loved the video, and don't forget to subscribe. And for now, bye bye.